Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're digging deep into one of the most anticipated heavy-duty machines of the future, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. Known for its legacy in manufacturing powerful construction equipment, Caterpillar is about to set a new benchmark with the D12, promising more power, durability, and efficiency than ever before. Whether you're in construction, mining, or heavy earth moving, this bulldozer is gearing up to be a total game changer in the industry. The 2026 Caterpillar D12 is expected to sit at the top of Cat's Dozer lineup, pushing past the D11 in terms of performance and capability. This massive machine is rumored to be powered by a next-generation high-output diesel engine that delivers an estimated 1,100 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,100 horsepower. That kind of raw strength will allow the D12 to move massive loads of earth and rock with absolute ease, increasing productivity in the most demanding environments. In terms of size and weight, the Caterpillar D12 is expected to be heavier than the D11, possibly weighing over 260,000 pounds. The larger frame is designed to support a bigger blade and enhanced ripper systems, giving operators more control and efficiency on rough terrain. The blade capacity could exceed 50 cubic yards, making it perfect for mining operations, large-scale construction projects, and other heavy-duty applications where power and precision are critical. Caterpillar is also focused on modernizing the operator's experience. Inside the cabin, the D12 is likely to feature state-of-the-art digital controls, a fully climate-controlled environment, touchscreen interfaces, and real-time machine performance data. Comfort and safety go hand in hand, and Caterpillar is expected to equip the D12 with automated systems, advanced GPS tracking, and semi-autonomous operation features to reduce operator fatigue and improve accuracy. Fuel efficiency will also see a significant improvement, thanks to Caterpillar's focus on sustainability and cleaner emissions. The D12 is expected to incorporate advanced fuel management systems that minimize consumption while maximizing output. With stricter environmental regulations on the horizon, Caterpillar is ensuring that its new bulldozer meets Tier 4 final or Stage 5 emission standards without compromising on power. Another standout feature of the 2026 Caterpillar D12 could be its smart connectivity. This bulldozer may come equipped with Caterpillar's latest remote diagnostic system, allowing fleet managers to monitor machine health, track performance, and schedule maintenance without downtime. Real-time updates and predictive analytics will help owners reduce unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of their equipment, a vital aspect in today's cost-conscious industry. When it comes to pricing, the expected base price of the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is around $3.2 million. Yes, that's a hefty investment, but considering the performance, efficiency, and technology it brings to the table, it's built to deliver long-term value and return on investment. Of course, optional upgrades, tech packages, and additional attachments could push the price even higher, depending on the specific needs of your project. Overall, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 is shaping up to be the most powerful and technologically advanced bulldozer ever produced by Caterpillar. It's built for professionals who demand unmatched performance in the toughest conditions. With its massive power, intelligent systems, and operator-first design, the D12 will likely dominate job sites and raise the bar for what a bulldozer can do. That's all for today's deep dive into the upcoming 2026 Caterpillar D12. If you're as excited about this beast as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automotive World, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest machines and vehicles reshaping our world. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.